Welcome to Enoven Foods. I'm Nahida with you. Today we are making a delicious fusion dish, Chicken Crepes Shawarma. Crepes originated in France but are enjoyed worldwide with sweet or savory fillings. Soft, flavorful crepes filled with spiced chicken, toasted to golden perfection. Let's start. First, preparing the crepe batter. Take 1 egg in a bowl, add 1.5 cup milk and mix well. Add 1 cup flour or maida and half teaspoon salt. Whisk until a smooth batter forms. Keep aside. Now marinating the chicken. Take 1 cup boneless chicken in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons curd or yogurt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon tandoori masala, and half teaspoon salt. Mix well and let it rest for 10 minutes. Yogurt helps tenderize the chicken and adds beneficial probiotics. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion and 2 green chilies. Saute for 1 minute. Add the marinated chicken and cook for 5 minutes on low-medium heat. Chicken is rich in protein, keeping you full and energized. Stir in 1 tablespoon chopped capsicum and 1 tablespoon chopped tomato. Cook for 2 more minutes, remove from heat and keep aside. Now grease a pan with a little oil. Pour a ladleful of batter and spread evenly. Cook on low heat for 1 minute. Flip and cook for 30 more seconds. Remove from heat and place on a board. Spread mayonnaise and tomato sauce over the crepe. Place the cooked chicken filling in the center. Fold into a triangle shape. For a cheesy twist, add some shredded cheese inside before folding. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Place the folded crepe and toast both sides until golden brown. Shawarma is traditionally cooked on a rotating spit, but this homemade version brings the same flavors in a different style. If you want a spicier version, add extra chili flakes or a drizzle of hot sauce. For extra crispiness, toast the crepe on low heat for a longer time. Using a crepe instead of regular bread makes this a lighter alternative to traditional shawarma wraps. If you love quick and delicious recipes, this chicken crepe shawarma is a must try. Let us know in the comments how you like to enjoy your shawarma. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Foods for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.